Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to Lesson 5, Multiplication and Division Sequences. In this lesson, you will be able to find the multiplier in a multiplication equation and the divisor in a division equation and extend multiplication and division sequences. Let's get started. What does the question mark represent? So here, our product, which is the answer to a multiplication question, is 12. Take a look at the hint at the bottom. We're skip counting by 4s until we hit 12. How many times do we have to skip count? Well, if you recall your multiplication facts, we do it 3 times. 4 times 3 equals 12. Skip count here to find the multiplier. 5 times what equals 35? You would have to count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That's 7 times equals 35. Pause the video, try these out, come back when you are ready with your answers. Four times 6 is equal to 24. 2 times 9 is equal to 18. And 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Here's a little word problem. I have 2 feet. If a student joins me, how many feet will there be? So 2 of my feet plus 2 of the student's feet. So we're multiplying by 2 people. 2 times 2 is 4. What if each of us brings up another student? That would be 4 of us altogether. And so then there would be 8 feet. What is the multiplier between these numbers? If you recall from your multiplication facts, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So if we keep the multiplication going, 12 times 3 is 36. The next one's a little hard for me to do, so I'm going to do a little multiplication on the side. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So 108 would be the next number in the sequence. All right, let's see if you can find the first 5 terms in the following sequences. First, you got to find what we're multiplying by and then fill in the blanks. Pause the video, come back when you're ready. So here's a little hint if you were stuck. For the first one, we have 6 times 2 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 2 is 48. Next we have 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. Next we have 2 times 3 is 6, times 3 is 18, times 3, well, that's a little hard to do. 3 times 8 is 24, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, 54. And then I have to multiply that by 3 one more time. Here's a quick simple way. I know 3 times 5 is 15, so 3 times 50 is 150. 3 times 4 is 12. And if I add the 2 together, I get 162. And for the bonus, we're multiplying by 10. So this one's actually not too hard. We're adding an extra 0 each time. 400, 4,000, and 40,000. What does the question mark represent? So we call that the divisor. 12 divided by what is 3? And the answer is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Skip count to find the divisor. Similar question to what we had before, but it was in multiplication form. Now we have it in division form. What times 5 is 35, in other words? And the answer is 7. So 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. All right, try to find these missing divisors. Come back when you're ready. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 14 divided by 7 is 2. And 48 divided by 8 is 6. What number do you divide 16 by to get 8? Well, 8 is half of 16, so we divide by 2. So if we continue the pattern, The next two terms would be 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So here you have to find out what we're dividing by and then write the next two terms. So here's a hint: dividing by 2, and dividing by 3. 12 divided by 2 is 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 20 divided by 2 is 10, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 18 divided by 3 is 9, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. We are finished. If you're having any issues or problems with this lesson, it might be because you need to practice your multiplication facts. The recall should be really quick, so please do continue practicing these and also work on page 11 to 12 in your jump math books. Please ask for help if you need it. Good luck.